Hello everyone, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson I want to teach you how to play the song Over the Rainbow. Right now I'm going to play through the song for you, and then afterwards I'll break it down and explain it to you in more detail, so make sure to stick around for that. For now, let's go ahead and get started with the song.
The dreams that you dream of once in a lullaby, somewhere over the rainbow, skies are blue, clouds high. May all your dreams come true. Someday I wish upon a star and wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where troubles melt like lemon drops high above the chimney tops. That's where you'll find me, somewhere over the rainbow. Bluebirds fly, birds fly over the rainbow. Why, oh, why can't I?
So for this song I'm going to be using the C chord family, but I'm playing it with my capo on the 2nd fret, so I'm actually in the key of D. So I'm going to be using 5 chords from the C chord family. I'm using the C, A minor, F over C, G, and D minor. So for the C chord, the A minor chord, and the F over C chord, we want to start our strumming on the A string, so the E string is not going to be part of it. You can use your thumb to mute the E string so it doesn't resonate while you strum. For the D minor chord, we want to start our strumming on the D string. So the E and A string are not part of that chord, so you just need to be very careful and pay attention to where your strumming hand is, and that you start your strumming on that D string and just strum those bottom 4 strings for that D minor chord. The only time you're going to use all 6 strings is for that G chord. For strumming, we're going to use the folk pattern, which is a 4-beat strum pattern. We're going to have 4 down strums, and then we're going to add an up strum after beat 3 and 4. Also, for this pattern, it's important that we just pluck the root note of the chord for the first beat of each measure. So let me give you an example. Let me use the C chord for an example. The root note for the C chord is going to be that A string, which is my C note, okay? So for beat 1 of each measure, I want to pluck just that root note by itself, okay? And then we can go on with the rest of the strumming. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 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 1. In terms of chord progressions, it's not too difficult of a song because each one of the chords for the entire song is going to be lasting for 2 measures. So in this song, we're in 4/4 time. We have the folk pattern, which is 4 beats. So one folk pattern, when you complete one folk pattern, that is a measure. Okay, those 4 beats make up 1 measure. So every single chord of this song is going to be lasting 2 of those measures, okay, which is 8 beats total. So I'll just play through of the progression of the verse for you, and I'll count out the beats so that you can see what I'm talking about. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care.